Hello, Namaste and Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to ComputerMcqs.com. Today we are going to learn 50 multiple choice questions about computer fundamentals. This is the third part of our previous videos. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon too. Let's get started with question number 1. And the question number 1 is, a fully functional computing device containing all the elements of a computer which is built around a microprocessor is known as, options are machine inbuilt computer, supercomputer, microcomputer and mini computer. And the correct answer is option C, microcomputer. Number crunching is another name of, options are microcomputer, supercomputer, mini computer and none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, supercomputer. Number crunching is another name of supercomputer. There are historical evidence to prove that abacus was first used in, options are India, Japan, China and Indonesia. And the correct answer is option C, China. There are historical evidence to prove that abacus was first used in China. Software in computer, options are enhances the capabilities of the hardware machine, increase the speed of central processing unit, both of above, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, enhances the capabilities of the hardware machine. Which one of the following media has the highest bandwidth? Options are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, optical fiber. Which of the following memory have a shortest access time? Options are cache memory, main memory, disk storage and tape storage. And the correct answer is option A, cache memory. MSB stands for, options are match significant bit, more sign bit, most significant bit, most schedule bit. And the correct answer is option C, most significant bit. Today's computer gained IBM was earlier known by different name which was changed in 1924. What was that name? Options are Tabulator Machine Corporation, Computing Tabulating Recording Corporation, the Tabulator Limited, International Computer Limited. And the correct answer is option B, Computing Tabulating Recording Corporation. Before a disk drive can access any sector record, a computer program has to provide the record disk address. What information does this address specify? Options are track number, sector number, surface number and all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. What is modem? Options are analog and digital converter, modulator and demodulator, telephone switching, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, modulator and demodulator. Daisy wheel printer is a type of, options are matrix printer, impact printer, laser printer and manual printer. And the correct answer is option B, impact printer. Daisy wheel printer is a type of impact printer. Program developed according to the requirement to an office is, options are packaged software, tailored software, utility software and all of the above. And the correct answer is option B, tailored software. Program developed according to the requirement to an office is called tailored software. The arranging of data in a logical sequence is called, options are sorting, classifying, reproducing, summarizing. And the correct answer is option A, sorting. What is the responsibility of the logical unit in the CPU of a computer? Options are to produce result, to compare number, to control flow if information, to do maths work. And the correct answer is option B, to compare numbers. The logarithm is the concept of, options are Hermann Hollerith, John von Neumann, Charles Babbage and picoseconds. And the correct answer is option B, John von Neumann. This type of keyboard is designed especially to alleviate wrist strain associated with the repetitive movements of typing. Options are ergonomic keyboard, wireless keyboard, traditional keyboard and flexible keyboard, and the correct answer is option A, ergonomic keyboard. Which of the following is not application software? Options are scientific software, games, device driver, multimedia software, and the correct answer is option C, device driver. Device driver is not an application software. Abacus was the first. Options are electronic computer, mechanical computer, electronic calculator, and mechanical calculator, and the correct answer is option D, mechanical calculator. Abacus was the first mechanical calculator. If in a computer 16-bit used to specify address in a RAM, the number of addresses will be, options are 216, 65,536, 64,000, all of the above, and the correct answer is option B, 65,536. The actual system is produced in a phase. Options are design, coding, implementation, and testing, and the correct answer is option B, coding. The actual system is produced in coding phase. IBM 1401 is, options are first generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computer, and fourth generation computer, and the correct answer is option B, second generation computer. IBM 1401 is second generation computer. The contents of information are stored in, options are memory data register, memory address register, memory arithmetic register, memory access register, and the correct answer is option A, memory data register. The contents of information are stored in memory data register. Instruction and memory addresses are represented by, options are character code, binary codes, binary words, parity bit, and the correct answer is option B, binary codes. The terminal device that function as a cash register, computer terminal, and OCR reader is the, options are data collection terminal, OCR register terminal, video display terminal, and POS terminal, and the correct answer is option D, POS terminal. Different components of the motherboard of a PC unit are linked together by a set of parallel electrical conducting lines. What are these lines called? Options are conductors, buses, connectors, and conjugatives, and the correct answer is option B, buses. Computer operators. Options are write computer programs for specific problems, operate the device which input and output data from the computer, normally require a college degree in computer science, all of the above, and the correct answer is option B, operate the device which input and output data from the computer. A term to use describe interconnected computer configuration is, options are multiprogramming, modulation, multiprocessing, microprogram sequence, and the correct answer is option A, multiprogramming. A set of flip-flop integrated together is called, options are counter, adder, register, and none of the above, and the correct answer is option C, register. People often call as a brain of computer system, and the correct answer is option C, central processing unit. Magnetic tape can serve as, options are secondary storage media, output media, input media, all of the above, and the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Time during which a job is processed by the computer is, options are delay time, real time, execution time, downtime, and the correct answer is option C, execution time. In analog computer, options are input is first converted to digital form, input is never converted to digital form, output is displayed in digital form, all of the above, and the correct answer is option B, input is never converted to digital form. Which is used for manufacturing chips? Options are bus, control unit, semiconductor memory, A and B only, and the correct answer is option C, semiconductor memory. The value of each bead in heaven is, options are 1, 3, 5 and 7, and the correct answer is option C, 5. The value of each bead in heaven is 5. The word processing task associated with changing the appearance of a document is options are editing, writing, formatting and all of the above, and the correct answer is option C, formatting. The subject of cybernetics deals with the science of options are genetics, control and communication, molecular biology, biochemistry, and the correct answer is option B, control and communication. Which statement is valid about computer program? Options are it is understood by a computer, it is understood by a programmer, it is understood users, both A and B, and the correct answer is option D, both A and B. The first computer introduced in Nepal was options are IBM 1400, IBM 1401, IBM 1402, IBM 1403, and the correct answer is option B, IBM 1401. Instruction in computer languages consist of options are OP code, operand, both of above, none of the above, and the correct answer is option C, both of above. MICR stands for, or what is the full form of MICR? Options are magnetic ink character reader, magnetic ink case reader, magnetic ink code reader, none of the above, and the correct answer is option A, magnetic ink character reader. A computer with CPU speed around 100 million instructions per second and with the word length of around 64 bit is known as options are supercomputer, mini computer, microcomputer and mainframe computer, and the correct answer is option A, supercomputer. A byte is options are found in the upper right corner of a window screen, a group of 8-bit code, the capacity of sound card, the part of that moves on a disk drive, and the correct answer is option B, a group of 8-bit code. Which generation of computer is still under development? Options are 4th generation, 5th generation, 6th generation and 7th generation, and the correct answer is option B, 5th generation. 5th generation computer is still under development. A register organized to allow to move left or right operation is called a options are counter, loader, adder and shift register, and the correct answer is option D, shift register. A register organized to allow to move left or right operation is called a shift register. ALU is options are arithmetic logic unit, array logic unit, application logic unit and none of the above, and the correct answer is option A, arithmetic logic unit. How is the data transferred in serial communication? Options are 10 bits at a time, 1 bit at a time, 1 byte at a time and 6 bits at a time, and the correct answer is option B, 1 bit at a time. What is the best definition of software package? Options are an add-on for your computer such as additional memory, a set of computer programs used for a certain function such as word processing, a protection you can buy for a computer, the text box manual and license agreement that accompany commercial software, and the correct answer is option B, a set of computer programs used for a certain function such as word processing. Which was the most popular first generation computer? And the correct answer is option A, IBM 1650. IBM 1650 was the most popular first generation computer. Which is considered a direct entry input device? Options are optical scanner, mouse and digitizer, light pen, all of the above, and the correct answer is option D, all of the above. The code that uses only 1 and 0 to represent number is options are decimal, binary, alphanumeric and floating point, and the correct answer is option B, binary. Binary code uses only 1 and 0 to represent number. Okay, that's all for this video. We will come with part 4 on next video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon too. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Have a good time. Bye bye.